Hey, hey, fitness besties. Let me get my act together here. Chef Connie here, about to have lunch. I guess I work too close to home because I walk from my office to my apartment. Takes me about 1 minute, maybe 2 minutes if I'm talking to somebody. All right, this is the kind of meals that help me lose 145 pounds. Look at this, baked chicken wings. Absolutely delicious. Seasoned up real good with garlic, pink salt, garlic powder, white pepper. You can use black pepper, doesn't matter. And smoked paprika. Mm-hmm. Lots. Look at that. Look at that. And olive oil. Okay, baked in the oven. Yummy. Got to give y'all this recipe. My side salad today: tomatoes, cucumbers, cilantro, a little bit of Asian rice vinegar, a little bit of olive oil, and a little bit of white pepper. Um, Maybe a teeny bit of pink salt, not that much. And then I have, look, my melted butter and my hot sauce together. That's right, that's butter and hot sauce, yummy. And I put a little bit on this. But this is the kind of meal that helped me lose 145 pounds. No restrictions. Right now, am I on a restricted diet? No, I'm not. People, I'm keep telling you, you can eat delicious, amazing foods. You don't have to lose out on the flavor. And all you're doing is a lifestyle change. You're changing what you eat. You're learning new recipes that are quick, easy, and delicious. And I'm a lazy chef. So why not throw this in the oven? Look at this deliciousness. Hey, why not whip up these vegetables? Hey, quick salad. Yep, there you go. Here's some hot sauce and butter. I love it. Yeah. Anyway, um, this is what happens as a fitness coach. I personally try to teach a lifestyle change, not diet. Of course, everything is a diet. You got junk food diet, whatever you eat, diet. The word is diet, but you're not on a diet restriction with this. You're just learning how to eat for your weight loss and doing a lifestyle change. Okay. Instead of eating a ton of bread, today I have no bread. I don't eat bread anyway. I have food allergies. But anyway, that's it. Lifestyle change. This is what's for lunch today. Thanks for watching. But remember, it's big meals like this and healthy meals that help me maintain and keep off that 145 weight loss that I did when I was 59 and now I'm 66. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye for now. Oh, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.